Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to turn on autofill password in DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to turn on autofill password in DuckDuckGo can streamline your browsing experience and improve efficiency. And by enabling this feature, the browser can automatically fill in passwords for you when you visit websites, saving your time and effort. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Well, so here simply tap the three dots and then you can select settings option. Okay, and then look for password, tap on the option, and for the last step, turn this toggle on. Okay, so now the autofill password in this browser application is successfully enabled. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn on autofill password in DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.